Hi everybody, it's Jessica the Dollhouse Curator and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So if you are a fan of Doctor Who or if you are a fan of Barbie, you should be aware that they have now released the Doctor Who and Ruby Sunday dolls on Mattel Creations for pre-order. I usually do not do these kind of what is coming up videos, but you all know when I am loving the item, I will do one of these, and I am loving both of these dolls, the Doctor Who and the Ruby Sunday dolls. So when I seen the initial pictures, it just had little snippets, I was very intrigued. And when I saw this morning, today is May 23rd, actually graduation day for my oldest son, so we're so excited. Not my oldest son, my youngest son, so we are so excited. But when I seen these, I went straight to the Mattel Creations website, did a little bit more digging, and I did go ahead and order the Ruby Sunday doll. You know I'm a fool for a daisy, and this is a daisy face with green eyes and a gorgeous outfit. So I did go ahead and order her, but I will say the Doctor Who doll is fabulous as well. I am loving everything about this duo, the outfits, the face sculpts, the body types they chose, absolutely wonderful. So for the Doctor Who doll, they went with the Barbie Basics Ken face sculpt. He is also the face sculpt from the Barbie Looks doll number 25. He is on a Harley Ken body, which means he is articulated but not fully made to move. I am loving this outfit with the leather jacket, the pants, the shirt, the shoes. It is very clean, looks really nice. And for Miss Ruby Sunday, as I've already said, she has a beautiful daisy face. You know I have been in search of a blonde daisy. She has green eyes and comes on a petite made to move body. This outfit that she has on is fabulous. The boots, the fishnets, the shorts, the shirt, the jacket, everything from head to toe, I am giving it a 10. Doctor Who, I'm giving it a 10. Will I be ordering Doctor Who? I will have to say I will not. Only because I have a couple of that Barbie Basics Ken face in my collection already. And I believe that he in my collection will be a great option to do for if you can't buy it, make it segment. So that is what I will be doing for the Doctor Who. You also know that I have been working on my sewing skills, and I believe that I can do the jacket, the shirt, and the pants in a if you can't buy it, make it segment for it to create a Doctor Who doll. But this daisy, I had to have. Both of these dolls are priced at $55. That may be a little steep, but if you love it, you love it. And I loved this daisy, so I really wanted to have her in my collection. The outfit was everything for me. Seriously, absolutely everything. So I wanted to come on and let you know that these dolls are now available for pre-order at $55 a piece on the Mattel Creations website. They are open to the public, so you do not have to be a member to order these. And again, I am loving both of these dolls. If it wasn't for the fact that I already have the Doctor Who face in my collection, and I feel like I can do it as a wonderful, if you can't buy it, make it project, I would have added him to my list as well. The jacket alone is fabulous enough for me to have wanted to add him to my collection. But again, I feel like I can make it with a little ingenuity. But I definitely picked up the Ruby Sunday doll. I think she is great. And again, I understand $55 may be a little steep for some collectors, but for me to get the blonde daisy with the green eyes, you know I'm a fool for a green eye doll, with that outfit that I think is impeccable, and this new paint on this daisy face that is a little more snatched and a little bit more realistic looking, I absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. So I definitely, again, I ordered Miss Daisy. They are not available now. They are up for pre-order, and I believe the date is July that they are looking to be released and to be delivered by. But again, it was well worth it for me to add this doll to my collection. I recommend, if you're a Doctor Who fan or If you're a Doctor Who fan, or if you are interested in both of these dolls that I think look awesome, go ahead to the Mattel Creation site, do your little research, and determine if this is something you want to add to your collection. Until next time, this is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. But if you don't do any of the three, make sure you leave us comments and let me know if the Doctor Who and the Ruby Sunday dolls are something you are looking to add to your collection. Until next time, bye y'all.